Action. Hey everyone, I am recording live from my brother's house, and I did another ceiling fan install, this time in the upstairs region. And this is the most recent install, the 42-inch Hunter low profile from 1989. And I robbed the light kit off my anti-brass 52-inch low profile plus. And the reason I did that because the ceilings here aren't very high. I'm 6 feet tall and I can just walk right under it. I don't have to duck or nothing. Some other goodies he has. But back to the fan. I mean, the fan runs really well. Can you see the picture of the mirror? Hi everybody. Thank you for watching, and I love the paneling of this room. It's really, really awesome. And there will be a ceiling fan in this room. That will be my NuTone Hugger, my NuTone Hug the Ceiling, the white one. I'm going to put spotlight kit on it. It's a little bit bigger. Shut the door. Oh, this closet, that's really awesome. Just a little, and for those of you who are interested in vacuum cleaners, here they are. That's a Hoover convertible. This is the living room, no ceiling fans there, at least not yet anyway. There's the Casablanca Delta 2 again. Very, very graceful. Get a better shot of it. Goes so well above the dining room table. It's run good ever since I got it up. Love those crystal globes. Hi, Palm Air. We'll do a little close above it. Sometimes the fan does hum, but I guess, I don't know, maybe the refrigerator's drowning it out, I don't know, but the fan goes so well with this room, this kitchen. This is like the perfect fan. It cranks out a lot of air, and you don't have to worry about a flywheel busting on you. There's the Mayfair again. Focus on that. It goes well with the furniture and the door. Long side is showing. Okay, I'm going to sign off now. Thank you for watching part 3 of the ceiling fan tour.